Light bulbs may not seem like a very important matter in your household, but when you're on a tight budget, you may start looking more into it. First, I'll show and tell you a little bit about the differing costs between light bulbs, as well as the substantial effects when choosing the right one. Between CFLs and LED light bulbs, LED lights are typically a better choice because they are better for the environment, they help keep your house cooler, and can save you some money. According to SEPCO's website, Solar Electric Power Company, 95% of the energy in LEDs is converted into light and only 5% is wasted as heat, whereas CFLs release about 80% of their energy as heat according to energy.gov. That's decreasing the amount of heat in your household by 75% just from switching light bulbs. SEPCO also states that LEDs have better quality light distribution and focus light in one direction as opposed to other light fixtures that waste energy by emitting light in all directions. Otherwise saying you'll get more light and less heat in the places that you actually need light in, as opposed to just wasting light and heat in all kinds of places where it's not really required. So both of these factors will help lower your electric bill and keep your house cooler when choosing LED lights. On the topic of needing fewer lights, choosing LED lights means emitting less energy, or less energy is used, which is better for the environment. Green is better, and EarthLED.com say that CFL lights contain mercury, which is bad for your health and the environment, which requires specific procedures if chemicals were to leak out of the light bulbs, or if the bulb was to break and you can't even dispose, you can't just casually throw a light bulb away if it were a CFL. Does something as simple as providing light for your house really have to come with such dangerous consequences? LEDs are known to last longer as well. SEPCO informs that since LEDs usually last longer, a longer lifespan means lower carbon emission, which also means that fewer resources are needed for manufacturing process, packaging materials, and transportation. Choosing LEDs give off less energy and heat, meaning less cool air is needing to be pumped into your house. And they also give off a better quality light, which means you don't need to buy as many bulbs, and which also saves you a little bit of money. And it refers back to less heat and correlates back to lower electric bills. And I'm going to show you something else from Green is Better Incorporated, where they show you the difference between CFL bulbs and LED bulbs, the cost, and how even though the cost of the LED bulbs individually might cost more, in the long run they actually end up saving you a bit of money due to energy conservation. So with that being said, LEDs emit less energy and therefore are healthier for the environment and your wallet. So whether your concern is saving money, saving the environment, or staying cool for the summer, LEDs are the best choice to turn to.